Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Marvelous. I am the owner of Marvel Design, and today we are starting our class. And I know we are all prepared, so I've dropped the notes on the group. So we are starting with the first course outline on the banner, which is element of design and tools of design. So just make sure you read the notes sent to the group. Now we are moving to the practical aspect, and let's move on. So today the app we are to use is called the Canva app. Let me show you the Canva app. It's called the Canva app. As you can see, it's called the Canva app. So this is the app we are to use today, the Canva app. So let me tell you things about this app. Canva app is the best app for designing graphics with your smartphone. We also have for PC, that's for computers, but it's the best because it has thousands of templates and thousands of design that you just edit. But today I'm teaching you how to design from scratch, how to make use of your font, your text, your color, and some other things and some other elements in design. So I'm taking the class from the scratch. So today we are designing an headphone advertisement. So let me show you the image we want to design today. So let me show you the image. Coming. Let me show you the image. So we are designing this today by the grace of God. As you can see it, this is image for an headphone. So we are designing it today, and I assure you that this thing you are seeing here is very easy to do if you can listen to the video from head to toe. Just listen to it from the beginning to the end, and let's move on. Thank you. So let's move on and let's move back to our Canva app. So click on it. So it's loading. Just make sure you have stable network whenever you want to access this app, because app require network. It is different from other app like Pixel Lab and some other online app. So let's move on. So whenever you log into this app, you create an account. Though I'm going to send the link to download this app on the group today. I'm going to send it. So if I send it, after I send, just click on it. It will take you to Play Store and you download it. So whenever you log into this app, you see an interface like this, something like this. And I want you to know something, that Canva autosave your design. So to start a new design, you click on the plus button. Can we all see it? This is the plus button. You click on the plus button. Okay, so let's click on the plus button. So automatically you see what we call custom size. You understand? You see what we call custom size. So you click on custom size. Let me explain this custom size to you. Custom size is the size you want your design to be, the length and the breadth, the width or height you want it to be. It can be measured in pixels, centimeter, inches, and so on. Can you see it? Millimeter, centimeter, inches, and pixel. So now for a standard square shape, like for a design that can best fit your WhatsApp profile picture, me is 512 times 512 pixel, which is square, and most people use that for flyers and some other things. So let's take, we are using 512 times 512 pixel. That is 512 for width, 512 for height. So let's move on. Let me write it there, 512 and 512. Okay, so it's going to bring us create new design. So you click on, make sure it's in pixel. Please notice this, make sure it's in pixel. So you click on create new design. So you see what I told you, Canva auto save your device. As you can see, this is it, auto save your device. Okay, so after that, we also that it brought a blank space for us. So it's still loading, but so it brought a blank space, and automatically this thing you see the pump up, which is called the template automatically pumps up whenever you whenever you want to start your design. So let me just explain what is called template. Templates are backgrounds, are laid out design that you use to start your design if you don't want to start your design from scratch. So you can just pick template here and just edit it and add the informations you want and publish it. But it's not the best because your design will be unique. Your design will look similar to other graphic designer online, and you know something like that depreciates the prestige of the graphic designer in a way. Because for instance, let's say I give you a work and you design graphics for me, and my friend also gave another graphic designer and the design looks alike, so it will look like a copyright work. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? It will look like a copyright work. But today let's start our design from scratch. So let's move on. So you use this place. Let me circle it for you. You use place this place to drag it down. As you can all see, you use it to drag it down. So let's make use of it now. So I'll use it to drag it down. Yes. So now we can see that we have a plain sheet, just white sheet. So this is square. So now you click on it. Let's add our background. That I want to use. So you click on it. So today we are using blue gradient, but I'm going to drop the tools we are going to use for this. I will drop everything on the group today. I will drop everything. So we are using blue gradient. So let's move on. So now to add your background to this place is in two ways. You can either click on it and come to color and just choose a color, you see, or choose a color, or you click on plus and just create a color gradient, anything you understand. You can just do like this, but today I'm using blue gradient. I'm not using this, so I'm going to cancel it. Let me delete it. So now I'm clicking on gallery. So let's click on gallery to add our background. But before I start, let me explain all these things you are seeing here. Elements are the tools you want to include in your design, and I'm going to show you some of the elements. I'm going to make use of the elements and you're going to see it. Though I've gotten all the elements I want to use. I'm not using Canva elements. I've gotten mine from Google Chrome. So these are the elements. You can just search for mock-up anything. Let's say that for instance you need glasses for your design. That's why glasses here, as you can see it. So let me click on it. So you see, you can just click on glasses, but you know that you are seeing pro here. So that's so that all this one you are seeing is only for premium version. Anyone that you do not see anything like pro on it is for the normal users. For instance, let's see this one, no pro on it. You just click on it and add, as you can see it. So though we are not using that today, we use that in our next class. So let me delete it. So you come to what we call gallery to upload your image. So I click on gallery. So it's going to load. Just make sure you have stable network whenever you are it. Just make sure you have stable network. So as you can all see it has loaded. So you click on this area. Let me circle it for you so you can all see it. Click on this area. Can you see it? So let me click on it. So you click on images. Yes, images. So you click on the area. Images. Yes. So let's swipe up to check the one we need. So I've downloaded the background already. I'm to use. So we are to use a blue gradient background. So let me swipe up and check the blue gradient background. So I've seen it. So this is the blue gradient background we want to use. This is the blue gradient background, as you can see it. So as you can see it. So let's click on it. You add to page. So I've added it to page, as you can see it. So this is it. We've added it to page already. So to now make it background, you click on this area. As you can see, click on that area. So you click on that area. So you will now swipe up and see set image as background. This thing, set image as background, you click on it. as you can all see it. So click on set image as background, automatically it will occupy the whole space. As you can see it occupied the whole space. So let me bring out the design I want to do so you can all see it. So gallery, let's just check. So this is the design I'm doing. Add to page. This is the design I'm doing today. So you can see it, you can see it here. This is the design we are doing. So just advertisement for an headphone company. So let me bring it down. So this one is going to serve as a guide for us. Do you understand? As a beginner that you want to design a graphics, you must have what you are watching. Do you understand? So this will serve as a guide for us. So let me just bring it towards this angle. So leave it there. Now the next thing we want to do is I want to add our text. So to add our text, you click on text. I click on add a text box. So automatically as you click on the text, we're going to bring up your paragraph text. So you are going to edit it with keyboard. Now they wrote new arrival here. So let's type the word new arrival. New arrival. So we've written the new arrival already. Now I want to get this font. We want to get this font style, as you can see. So to get the font style, you click on your edited your text. Sorry, let me make it, let me zoom it. So with you. So okay, I'm coming. So you click on your text. Can you see that I clicked on my text? I came to font. Let me show you so you can all see, because you are going to do yours and post it to the group as an assignment and you submit it tomorrow. So you can see it font. So you are clicking on font. Okay, so just click on font. As you click on font, you see an arrow that shows direction that this thing is going up. So you just click on the arrow. As you click on the arrow, it's going to swipe up. So look for font similar to this. So let's search. Okay, let's try this. Let me expand it so you can see it. If you notice it, this one is not clear. And notice something, your font design, your font style is not only for design. Let your font be clear, and those you are passing the message to should understand what you are trying to write. Now you can see this NEW is just like MEW, new, and I want to write new. So other people must understand what you are writing. It must not be only you. Do you understand? So this one is disqualified. Let's move on. Let's move on to the one we can use. Okay, see all this place you are seeing crown is only for premium user. Only if you subscribe for premium. So let's move on. Okay, let's try this one. You see, this is okay, but we don't like this font design. Not best, we don't like it. So let's search till we get. So I'm going up. So if you want to do your own assignment, you can take any font you wish, the one you think is okay for you, the one that best fits your satisfaction. You understand? So let's move on to the one I love. Let's swipe up. Okay, I would like this. Yes, this is the perfect one I love, or this. Any of the two is okay for me. It's okay. Any of it is okay for me. So you click on cancel. So let me just take it up. I notice this straight line shows that this straight line divides the page into two. Do you understand? Into two equal parts. So let me reduce the fonts. Let me take this up. You stay here. Let me reduce the fonts. Okay. So let me change the color first to white. Okay. And let me expand it. Sorry. Click on, let me go back, click on edit. Okay, it's okay like this. It has returned to the normal thing I want. So this is it like this. Let me just leave it. So this 4H arrow you see is this for adjusting. It's called the nudge. Do you understand? It's called the nudge. So let me just move it up there. Okay, it's okay like this. I'm still going to edit it, but let me just write this headphone. So let's go back the same way we did it. So come back and write, add a text box, and you also write your headphone. So I've written that this headphone, new arrival headphones. Okay, headphones. So let's come to our text and check. That won't be the best for it, because font is used to pass informations. Do you understand? So let's check the best for it. So I would like canvasan for that. Let me check canvasan. Let's check, or arimo. Let me check arimo first. Headphones, no, it seems canvasan is the best. Yes, canvasan. I love canvasan for that. Canvasans. Okay, so let me use my notch as I told you earlier. Coming. So let me use my notch also to bring it up. Oh, follow the line, follow the line. So let me change the color also to white. Color white. I know you are surprised about how we got this thing. So let's now go to, let me first bold it. You come to this your B format. As you can see it, this format, click on it and click on bold. So I bolded it already. So you will now come to where we call effects. Let me circle it in case those of us that can't see it well. So this is effects. Can you see it now? Okay, that's good. So you click on effects. So now to get this, we have to use splice to get this perfect effect. Click on splice. As you can see, it has even given us the color first. So you now click on it and edit it. So let's use the plus button. You can either drag it like this, or you should use the plus button. But let me use the plus button to get my perfect design. So let me offset. Let me check the offset. So let's check the offset. Okay, the offset is okay. Let's check the direction. It must just be like a wall. Let me check the direction. I would love it to be like this. So you adjust it till you are satisfied. Do you understand? Let me use the plus. Let me make it 80. You can either type. Let me make it 80. Do you understand? So it's okay like this. It's okay like this. I love it like this. It's okay like this. Let me adjust it a little bit. Let me make the thickness not too thick, but like this. Offset. Let me just make the offset a little bit line. So it's okay like this. Yes, it's okay like this. It's okay like this. And the color for the offset is what is the name of this color? Off white, as you can see it. But this is the color for it. So any color you call it, but you've seen the color. Okay, thank you. So now let me reduce the fonts. So you come to font size. Let me reduce the font. New arrival. I've reduced the font. It's okay like that. So let me increase this one font. Increase the font, but don't increase it too much. You can either type. Let me make it 35. Oh, 35 is too small. 42 is okay. It's okay for that. So adjust it with the nudge. This thing you see here is called the nudge, but you see now the thing is shaking. I can't adjust it very well with the nudge. So you come here to use the another nudge, the same nudge, but this is the best for perfect adjustment. See, so swipe up, swipe up, swipe up. You see it's moving. So bring it down. It's moving. Okay, let me adjust this one also. Let's bring it to the down. It's too close to the upper part. So let me move it down a little bit. Okay, let me move it down a little bit. So this headphone also, let me move it down a little bit. So I make it at the middle. Okay, this. Okay, let me move it down a little bit. So it's okay like this. We've gotten our font like this, and you cannot see it. We've gotten our font. So the next thing we want to do is I want to import our headphone. So, and you see, let me bring it down. You see, we've gotten our font. So let's import our headphone. So let's come to gallery the same way we did it. Click on gallery. It's interesting. So images. Let me just come to the download. So I'll just take my I'm going to drop these tools for you in case you understand. I'll drop the tools for you. So click on add to page, click on this. I've added to page. You can either add to page in two ways, either adding singularly or multiple adding. Let me delete it and add in multiple ways so that you understand what I'm trying to say very well. So to add multiple, this is the stage, select, you come to select, and this is the headphone, so you add to page. So as you can see it, this is multiple adding. So let me move this, come to this area, so let me bring this to this area, and let me adjust this one. As you can see it, so let me adjust it a little bit and use my hand to drag it up. You see now it is okay here because the thing shows 50-50. You can see it's 50 up, 50 down. So that is just the measurement. So let's bring this one down a little bit. So just use the nudge to bring this up, as you can see. So let me expand this stage. Expand from the angles. Note, don't expand from the up or down. You see, when I expand from up and down, you see what it's giving me. So expand from the angles. So to return the design, I know some of you are thinking, this way I spoiled the design. I don't spoil it too. You can use this thing to return it back. This thing I circled, you use to what, to return it back. So you return it back with these two arrows. So let me return it back. Let me click on the font. So I'm going to click on back, and return back to the normal size. As you cannot see it, I've returned it back to the normal size. So let me just use my hand to adjust it a little, and use my hand to adjust the headphone also a little bit. So take it and increase the size of the thing also, and use the nudge to adjust it. You see the line shows that it's a straight line. So let me just adjust it like this, bring it down a little bit, okay, it's okay like that. So let me reduce this my headphone size. Remember I said you only adjust from the angles. Don't ever try adjusting from the sides. You adjust from the angles. You can either adjust from here, bring it, adjust from here, adjust anywhere, but just make sure you only adjust from the angles. So let me bring this one down a little bit. So you use the nudge here, so bring it down a little bit. So you must be snappy. So now you notice that this thing is not showing as if it's sitting on it. It's not showing. Notice something here. This one shows that the thing is sitting on it, but this one is not sitting on it. So let me teach you what I'm going to do. So you click on this stage and click on position. As you can see it, this position, you click on position. Do you understand? You click on position. So click on position. You now move to the back. Click on to back. To what? To back. Can you see it? To back. So the thing, let me, this our guide. That's the disturb us there. Now make I reduce this more. Stay there. Now come here. Stay here. So remember I said I've taken it to the back. You can see now. So you've taken it to the back. Take it to the back. So use the nudge. So I'm coming. Use the nudge to adjust this a little bit sideways. You see the line showed that the thing is in the middle. So let me use the nudge also to adjust this a little bit. So okay, so now we can't keep this color like this, so we have to edit the contrast and the saturation. So this stage I want it to be blue black. Do you understand? Like this one. Come, I want it to be blue black. Can you see it? It is what? Blue black. So let's make it blue black. So let's click on the stage itself and come to what we call adjust. After I click on adjust, it's going to load. You see, I've clicked on adjust. You come to temperature, tint. Can you see it? Brightness. You see contrast, and you've seen contrast already. So let's drag the contrast a little bit. You see it's turning, it's changing. Can you see it? But I don't want it to be dark blue black, so let me just reduce the contrast a little bit. Can you see it? Okay, come to the highlights, shadow, white. So you come to the black and increase the black also a little bit. Can you see it? Increase the black a little bit. So you now come to your saturation again and increase the saturation a little bit till you are satisfied. Nah, I don't like this. I love this. So this is okay. So I made my saturation 100. So click going back to the headphone. So let me edit my headphone. So you come to adjust the same way also, and saturation for the headphone. Saturation for the headphone. Okay, to make it more shining. And let me show you something. You just click on color edit and you click on your headphone. Can you see it? As you click on your headphone to be, so if you want your headphone to maintain this color, you click on the color and edit it from here. Can you see it? You can just change the color of your headphone from here. Can you see it? Now let's change my the color of my headphone to red. I'll change it. You see, you can change the color of your headphone to anything here. You understand? You can change it, but we are not dealing with this at all. Let me just return it back to the normal color. So I'm cancelling it and returning it back to the normal color, which is blue. So I'm going back to my adjust and click on my saturation. So I'm making use of blue and white gradient, so I'm not making use of any other color. So as a graphic designer, I must be able to know how color matches together. Do you understand? So this is the color I want it to be. Let me come back to my contrast and increase it a little bit. So can you see it? So I love this color it maintained. So after that, there's something we call shadow effects. So your design must be unique, because AI now has collected many works from many graphic designers. So let's come to our effects. This effect you see here, let me show you in case you did not see it. This effect you see here, can you see it? So let's come to our effects. So you click on effects. After I click on effect, we come to shadow. We only need shadow for this one, so click on shadow. So we come to we need let's use glow first. You see how the glow works? Click on it again. So size, you see it's giving it unique taste. Can you see it? So let me reduce it back. The blue amount, giving it unique taste. Okay, intensity, let me increase the intensity. So can you see it? It gives, if you check the edge is soft. Check it very well. The edge is what? Soft. That's a black soft. So here, yes, it's okay like this. Let me check it. Can you see it? So this is what I'm trying to say. Can you see that this is full? So some of you may like it like this. You just expand it. So if you like it like this, you expand it. Like you just expand it like this, and you to maintain the color. But I don't like mine like that. So let me return it back to the normal adjustment I want it to be. So I'm going to give it a nice taste. So let me reduce this to 16. So I've reduced this to 16. Can you see it? So let me use my nudge to adjust it. So click on the nudge, adjust it a little bit, so let it sit well on the, remember I took this to back position, to back. You've seen it. If you want to make it to front, you see it to front, it covered the headphone. Can you see it? So you take it to back. Let me take it backward or to back, anyone, backward or to back, anyone. You can see it, but let this is good as it is to back. Can you see it? So position is already to back. Can you see it? So it's okay like this. So the next thing we want to write is our arrow and this 25%. So let's come and take our arrow. So let's make the work snappy. So images, so that this is working based on network. So let's come and pick our arrow. So I'm going to send all this to you. Do you understand? I'll send instruments to you. Let's pick our arrow and and what, and the 25% we need, 25% off. And let me pick all what we need. We need this, add to page. So this multiple adding, so we won't just be disturbing ourselves again. So let me just keep all this one aside. So when I need them, I'm going to use them. So now we need the arrow currently, so you take the arrow here and use this to turn it. Let me show you. Come, this you can see, you use to turn it. This side you are seeing, you use to turn it. So let me off it. So let me use to turn it a little bit, and let's reduce the size. Remember I told you to, if you want to increase and reduce it from the angle. So let me take it up a little bit, let me reduce the size, and let me use our nudge to adjust it very well. So adjust, so let's check our guide well. Here, are you seeing it? So this is how you do your work. You take your guide with you, let your guide be with you. So you use your guide to adjust it, to check how you want your work to be, so your work will be unique. Do you understand? So let's move on. So adjust. As you can see, it is okay like this. So now let's add the 25%. So just bring out the 25%. As you can see it, so let's bring the 25% here. So turn it also and reduce the size. So turn it also. Remember, look at the size. I made the size I'm coming, this thing is not showing. What you see the size, the width is 93 while the height is 93. Can you see it? So I want to reduce it. So the width and height is 71. Let me reduce it. I want it to be 56. So it's okay at 56. So use the nudge to bring it to this area. Let me use the nudge to adjust this one. Let this one be close to the headphone a little bit. So this one will have a space, and let it be up. So this one is going to have a space. So let me reduce it to let me reduce. I don't need to reduce it again, but let me just make the corner round. So to make the corner round, you click on corner. Can you all see it? So you just click on corner round. So if you click on corner round, I made it 100. So now you can now adjust it with your nudge. So you see now it's okay like this. You've gotten that part. Let me adjust this one a little bit till I'm satisfied. Yes, okay. Nudge. So let me tell you something. If you don't want the other works you've done to misplace position, so you just click on it and click on that three dots as I told you earlier. So you search and look for lock. Let me show you. Lock. Can you see it? This lock, this is the lock. Can you see it? So you click on lock. So let's click on lock. So let me lock all the one I'm done with. So you see a padlock is there automatically. So this one also, I'm done with this one. Click on lock. I'm done with the font. Click on lock. I'm done with the headphone. Click on lock. So the one see. You see now, after clicking on lock, if you click on them mistakenly, they can't move. If you click on them mistakenly, see they can't move. I'm shaking them, they can't move. You see, they can't move. But click on this one and move. You see it's moving. You see it's moving. You see it's moving. So that is the advantage of locking. So I want to lock this one now. Let me lock this one also, because I'm done with that one also. So you click on the three dots as I told you. Click on lock. This one also, click on lock. So just make sure you watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's move on. So the next thing we want to do here is we want to write this order now. You can see here, order now. So to write the order now, you go to your text first, and let's add the text box and write order now. So order now. You see capital letter, okay, NOW now. Okay, you can see I've written it already. So I want to come to my font automatically. So Araimo, I guess this one will not be the best. Canvasan is not the best for that. Okay, no one can even, okay, the O I wrote wasn't capital letter, it was small letter. So let me make it capital letter, order now. So you can either see the font from here directly, or you have to from here directly. You can see it. You can just click on here directly, or you just click on the font, or click on the text itself, click on the text itself and hold and click on text again and click on font style, anyhow you wish but that's based on how it's convenient for you. So order now, I guess this is okay. So as you made order now like this, so I love this font, so it's okay like that. So you've picked it already, so come to your font size and let's reduce the font, let's reduce the order now to 20. It's okay, use the nudge to bring it down. You see, follow the right, so follow the line and make sure it's in the middle. So can you see it now? I'm coming. So something I'm checking. So now let me bold it. So you come to this B format that I told you earlier, so you click on bold. I've bolded it already, so that is what. So now you see this round edge we done there, so you come to your elements. That is the usefulness of the element here. Come to your elements, so search shapes. Let's just search shapes. So let's just search shapes. You see shapes that I want to pick, don't need to check rectangular or anything. So let's just take this is what we are looking for. You can just use square or anything. This one, as you can see it, this one, you just take it. Do you understand? So let me cancel it. So let's just click on the shape itself. As you can see it is magnified. So let's reduce, let's just zoom it in. So I've clicked on it now, come here. So let me expand it from the angle. You can see I expanded it from the angle. So I expanded it from the angle. Can you see it now? So let me use the nudge to bring it here, and let me make it up a little bit. Can you see it? Let me make this one up a little bit also, a little bit. So let me use the nudge to adjust it. So I want to tell you something, I want to show you something after this adjustment. So you see, notice that the color here is odd to this color. So you just click on, as long as it has highlighted itself like that, so you just come to color, you click on this plus. So you click on this one, this place that is showing ink, but in this place, let me bring it for you. You see it, this, you click on it. So let me click on it. So you see it's bringing something like a mirror. So you take that mirror, drag that mirror to the color you want, so it's to be so done. Can you see now? Automatically it has changed and it has rhymed with this color. Can you see it now? So just take it and use the nudge to, let me cancel this, use the nudge to take it like this. Can you see it now? So I want to make it a round corner like this. So to make it a round corner, as we did the other time, you come to this corner, click on corner and drag it. Can you see now? It's already round. So cancel. So to now show this border, you click on it again, not the text, so you click on the thing itself. So I told you, if something show like this, just come to a layer, sorry, layer, and come, where is, sorry, the thing is, where is the layer here? So you come to a layer, click on this, as you can see it. So I've clicked on my layer, so it has taken it like that. So let me click on border style. You can see border style. Can you see it? So that is black. So let me now change the border color. To change the border color, you come here and let me make it white. Can you see it? But let me back it. Border color, not, I don't want everything white. So the border color is already white. Can you see it now? It's white. So now the border color is white already. So let me use the nudge to adjust it. See, let me use the nudge to adjust it a little bit, to adjust the text a little bit. So it's going to balance itself. Just make sure it's at the middle. You see now there's a line that shows when it reaches, let me show you again, when it reaches the middle, that line shows that, so that means that line shows that it has reached the middle and it's correct like that. So just leave it like that. So we've gotten that. So now we can now take this one up now as a guide, still leave it here as a guide. So let me make this, let me still bring this one to the middle a little bit, yes, I intentionally did it like that. So let me bring this one to middle a little bit. So it's going to maintain the middle. Can you see it now? A line shows which shows 9 9. Can you see it? So it's already in the middle. So leave it like this now. It's okay like this in the middle. So the next thing we want to write is our WhatsApp. So let's bring it down. So you can, person can either give you YouTube, the class can either give you YouTube or any other thing. Do you understand? Let me just use my note to take it here. So our WhatsApp, just reduce it to 59 height and width. Let's check it whether is it 59, 35, 43. Is this 40? Okay, let's make it 43, sha. For I guess 43 is okay for it. 43 is okay for it. It's okay. So since it's 43, 43 is okay, and let's reduce this one also to 43. 43 43 also is okay for this. You see now the thing shows that it's already in order. Can you see it? 43. But let me move this a little bit down, so it shouldn't be too close to the, can you see the other also? Let me move down, also down, so let them maintain the same position as you can see. So that box, let me move it down, so let it maintain the same position with that. You see it shows 3 dots, so let me move this down a little bit so it maintain the same position. As you can all see, you see maintain the same position. So let me just write my number there. So you now come to your text. Where is our text? Cancel this, come to your text, add a text box. So add the text box, write contact now, and use this button here and write your number 09071830324. And notice this is my number in case if anyone message you and use my logo, so that person is a scammer, so don't fall for it. Do you understand? 09071830324. so this is my WhatsApp number in case you want to contact me. So let me now zoom it. Okay, it's too tiny. Let me bring it here first. And so let me now reduce the font size. So reduce the font size. So reduce the font size. I'll increase it a little bit. So let me make it 10. So it's okay in 10. Now let me now change the font style. And let me tell you something. Make sure font is not only for design. No, let your font be clear and people should know what you are talking about. So let me click on Arimu. So you see now it's clear. The number is very very clear. So let me use the nudge to take it up and put it in the right position. So let me swipe it. Let me take it up. Let me take it up. Can you see now? It's in the right position. Okay, see, it's in the middle like this. That's okay like that. It's okay like that. So it's okay like this. So let me this website, let me write www. something. Let me just write www.marvel. So let me just add text also, but let me make this corner around a little bit. I don't like the both behind the square shape, so let me just make the corner around a little bit. Is okay like this. Okay, so let me write, I'm not satisfied with the text. The thing is not straight. So it's okay like this. You see, show a straight line that is straight. So I'm sure now. Now let me come to the text and add the text box and write www.marvel. www.marvel.com. So I don't have a website yet too. I'm just forming this just as practical, just to let you understand. So let me use my note to bring it here. So let me resize this. Let me adjust this one a little bit. Let me make it closer to the other now, so it will size, so there will be enough space for this. So nudge nudge. Okay, I'm still going to reduce the size of the other now. So it's going to, so there will be enough space for this. Okay, coming down now. So www.marvel.com. Okay, it's okay like that. So let me reduce the size for the other now, and let me just reduce the size, font size. So let me make it 18 or 17. 17 here. So since it's 17, let me now reduce this a little bit. No, let us reduce it a little bit. So okay, let me now use the nudge to adjust the direction and make it a little bit up. Okay, as you can all see, so let me just bring it down a little bit. So let me just use the nudge to adjust it a little bit. So now you can now go further by deleting. Let's check, is everything in right position? Let everything be in a straight line. So now you see a line shows that it's already in a straight line. So you can now go ahead by deleting this one. Now delete it. Now as you can all see, now our graphics is ready and we are done with the design. So you just, how you are done with your classwork, just write your name below this area, sorry, below this area here. Just write your name, designed by Elizabeth. If it's Miriam, if it's any name, if it's Joshua or anything, or any name you give your complaint, Enoch, Marvelous, anything, just write your name there, designed by that, so we will know that you are the one that designed. Do you understand? Just write your name in that area, designed by. Thank you. And this, you can use the font you love. Just make sure you submit your assignment. I'm going to drop all these tools for you. Do you understand? And I'm going to drop the link to download the Canva to you today. Thank you and God bless you. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel. Wait, come, so let's adjust this place a little bit. I noticed that this place also is not straight. Let's adjust it a little bit. You see it's straight now. So let me teach you how to export your file. So you click on here and save it as image. Now as you can see, our work is neat, new, and very okay for the client to use. You can see it. So new. So let's check our gallery now and our file folder to check. Let's check our file or file manager, file, anyone. Let's check it. So when we turn back, all, come to all to check your recent. So can you see now the thing is, the graphic is uploaded already, and you can see it, new arrival head phone. As you can all see it, can you see it? Order now, contact now, www.marvel. Can you see it? So our file is okay and ready for use. Thank you. God bless you.